Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Victorium ka Dukan Kitiar Kilan Met ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit. Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Rakhe ka Women's Day da ka health checkup. Ringkat bat ka Woodland Hospital Shillong.
Ular kejelau Satyapal Malik ulalej ban ai injek dawai yada COVID khat khandai menta ka lai tarik ulber arajar arpuwei ha Ganesh Das Hospital Shillong. Lasaki ya jingwan ai injek jong ulat daki Dr. Rangba jong katanat ka koit ka khia ka jella.
शर्ट साफ है तो मूव कर लीजिए ना मनोज जी कुर्ता निकाल देंगे जैसे थोड़ा सपोर्ट करो पीछे से थोड़ा सा आपको
I'm feeling proud that I'm having vaccination made in India, and our scientists have done a wonderful job. We are giving it to several other countries, and I'm feeling very safe after this. Everybody who's fit in the criteria should have it. There is no reason to fear or doubt. I'll tell them they should not waste even a day. Come and according to your number and have it. I was very much afraid of seeing the size of the needle, but when it went off very well, I could not feel something has happened. The staff is very efficient. All these people are very courteous and nice, and I'm feeling good. My personal assistant is जो मेरे साथ रहता है, he is also.